this is Toti Interschools Equestrian Challenge 2018. I'm Kirsty Klopper from the horse riding school. I'm the equestrian manager, and we are hosting this event at Toti Ranch. So we decided to host this competition because some of our riders have been taking part in SANESA, which is the holding body for South African National Equestrian Schools Association. We decided that because nobody got chosen to go to the Nationals in Joburg, we decided to rather have a show here so that more local people could take part.
And yeah, we're holding the interschools here for the first time.
I'm very, very impressed by the huge turnout. As a judge, I am looking for, with the girls and their ponies, correctly turned out dress, making sure their weight is evenly in both of their stirrups, looking up, smiling, saluting correctly, and just having a good time at the end of the day. I am extremely impressed by the amount of young children that have turned up to this event and the caliber of riding. As the day continues, the older and higher grades will start participating, and therefore I will judge accordingly. I think it's very important for the community to have an event like this. It brings together communities, it's something fun and safe for the children to do. Obviously teaches them to have a very good relationship with their horse and with other children.
We're hoping to have this event every year. We're hoping next year to be bigger and better, so we're trying to expand our arenas and looking for sponsors to help us to get more arenas, more stabling for visiting horses, so that we can host our local SANESA event.